Look up for a second and take a look around your showroom. I'll give you a second. Look, before customer or even vehicle service, the customer's first impression of your shop will be what they see from your showroom floor. They will take notice if it's clean and neat, and if you brand your business well enough for them to start to recognize you. Yes, branding is uber important to building strong relationships with customers. However, it's especially important if you recently acquired an independent shop in a new area. Let's talk about why, with strong branding, your new acquisition can succeed. When designing your shop's showroom, every detail helps establish your brand identity. Whether you make small changes to a newly acquired shop or complete overhauls to the space, taking time to think about design choices will help customers connect with your shop's unique brand. More often than not, when you acquire an independent tire shop, it's likely one that's been run by a family or run with family values. With that being said, it's up to you to learn about that community from the employees of the new shop. Plus, if you share these cultural family values with your newly acquired location, you already have an advantage, but it doesn't end there. Different shops have different vibes, both with the staff and the customers. When you're giving the new shop a branding makeover, matching the style to who actually gets service there can make a big difference. For example, in Utah, where there are a lot of off-road enthusiasts, showcasing graphics of rugged Jeeps or lifted trucks can resonate with the local customers. However, a densely populated urban center like Manhattan would require a distinctly different visual approach. While the ideal showroom design may vary, certain branding principles are nearly universal for all tire shops. When taking over a new location, you should incorporate your signature colors and logos, but incorporating these the right way can make all the difference. Some changes aren't as obvious though. For example, showcasing services and tire selections may succeed for one shop, but could fall flat for another. Take the counter area. Its design and layout should depend on the local customer base, the dealer's specific business model, and your available space. Your shop may take a modular traditional approach to counter space, but your new location may be more suited for a modern kiosk-style approach, for example. At the end of the day, your new location's showroom should reflect your name and your business fundamentals, building on the brand you've already been able to establish at your other locations. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.